warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everyone? This short video I will discuss with you how we solve this revision sheet. First question, divide 7.5 by 6. As you can see, 7.5 we can write it as 7.50. So the first step, as you can see in the dividend, we have a point. So we put the point up, and exactly above the point in the dividend we put in the quotient. Now the first step, we divide from left. 7 divided 6 equals 1, but 1 multiply 6 equals 6. So we use the rule divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So 7 divided 6 equals 1, but 1 multiply 6 equals 6. Then after we multiply, we subtract 7 minus 6, as you can see, equals 1. Now we bring 5 down, it becomes 15. 15 divided 6 equals 2. 2 multiply 6 equals 12. Then we subtract 5 minus 2. 15 minus 12 equals 3. So in this case we have remainder, but we don't want remainder. We add 0 down. It becomes 30. 30 divided 6 equals 5. 5 multiply 6 equals 30. Then we subtract equals 0. Now in the second example, and now I'm discussing question number 6. I will discuss with you some examples. Here 102.5 divide 25. So in this case we are dividing by 2-digit divisor. As you can see, the dividend has a point. So with the first step we put the point up and we divide normally as if there is no point. 100 first 10 divide 25 we cannot, so you take 102. 102 divide 25. How many 25 in 102? If you imagine 102 as 100, so we have 4 25s. Then now we multiply. 4 multiply 25 equals 100. Then we subtract 102 minus 100 equals 2. Now we bring down 5, it becomes 25. We divide again. 25 divide 25, 1. When we put it after the point, because we divide 5, we bring 5 down. So we put the answer above 5. Now next question, divide decimal by decimal. 4.32 divide 0.6. In this case we divide, we move the point to the right. In both the divisor and dividend, one step, this becomes 43.2 divide 6. Now 6 became a whole number, then we divide 43.2 by 6. The same above. Here I give you the steps. Change the divisor to a whole number by multiplying by 10. So this is the step. We multiply by 10, but we don't multiply by 10, just we move the point to the right. When we multiply 0.6 by 10, it becomes 6. Now the most important thing, the divisor become a whole number, as you can see, and 4.32 multiply 10, so it becomes 43.2. Now we divide normally, as we dividing decimal by a whole number, it becomes 43.2. So in this case, the dividend still dividend is still decimal, but no problem. We just put the point up and we divide as usual. This the most important questions. Now we move to the question. For example, question number 1. Find parts of the division problem given below. 45.8 divide 10 power 1 equals 4.58. Now he wants the quotient. The quotient is 4.52, is the answer of the division problem. The divisor is 10 power 1, the number we divide by, and the dividend is 45.8, which is the number we divide, and the number we are dividing is the dividend. Now question number 2, as you can see, use mental math and the patterns to complete each problem. 245.6 divide 10 power 0 and divide by 10 power 0, which means 1. So we don't move the point, we keep the point as it is. So we keep it at 245.6. But when we divide by 245.6 by 10 power 1, now when we divide, as you know, we move the point to the left. So we divide by 10 power 1, the power is 1, which means is 10. So 10 and 10 power 1 is the same. We move the point one step to the left. The point was between 5 and 6. Now it becomes between 4.4 and 5. But look here, for example, 245.6 divide 10 power 3. The divisor here is 10 power 3, so that the exponent is 3. So we need to move the point to the left 3 steps. So the point was between 5 and 6, and we move it after 5, then after 4, then after 2. So it becomes 0.245. What decimal number does the model given below represent? Here, as you can see, we have how many holes? 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. How many tenths? We have 3 tenths. So 4.3 and 100. So 4.3 4.331. So here he just will give you this number, and we want to know it does represent what. Number 4, use model to help you to divide 0.43 divide 3. Here we divide by 3, so we need 3 groups. We need 3 groups because we divide by 3. And as you can see, the dividend is how many tenths? We have 8 tenths and 4 hundredths. We want to make them in groups. So we can put in each group 2 tenths. Then we have 6 tenths. And we are left with 2 tenths and 4 hundredths. We want to distribute them in 3 groups. We have 2 tenths. We can regroup them as hundredths. So we have 20 hundredths. And we have already 4 hundredths, so 24 hundredths. Divide 3 groups. We put in each group 8 hundredths. So in each group, as you can see, we have, as you can see here, 2 tenths and 8 hundredths. Now in number 9, 7 cakes of the same price cost a total of 12.60. Find the cost of one drink or one cake. Here, so we need to divide the money by the items. Always to know the price when you want to divide the money by the items. So we have 12.60 divide 7. As you know, we put the point up, and then we divide. 12 divide 6 divide 7 equals 1. We put 1 above 2. 1 multiply 7 equals 7. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Now we bring down 6. 56 divide 7 equals 8. 8 multiply 7 equals 56. So the answer is $1.80. That was a summary for the worksheet, and I think it's this short video is helpful for you. Thank you very much.